Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel 12step. Today in this video let's learn about how to unban your OkCupid account. So let's get started. At first let's get into any browser and search for OkCupid, and here we can see this option called help. So let's tap on this. Now scroll down to contact us and click on contact us over here. Now click on this option called click here. Here we need to enter our email address, enter the subject, that Unban account, and write the reason why we are contacting. Click on others, and in description you can write that the account was banned and we want it back or unbanned. Here we can add the attachment to verify that we are authentic user and simply click on submit over here. Once we have done that, our account will be unbanned if our account is authentic. So this is it. This is how we can unban our OkCupid account. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.